I walk up here to my mom's garden. I got some raspberries here. She has a lot of deer problems and raccoon problems. So I've got a solar electric here. And then this is for the deer. Anyway, there's blueberry bushes. She nets them over when they start to ripen so the birds don't eat them all. Got the garlic's looking good. I think she puts her greens in the row covers. And then there was peas on this trellis last year. Looks like she got possibly her sweet potatoes in here with the black plastic so that it keeps them really nice and hot, and they do really well. Some squash here. Looks like it needs some water. It's like 95 degrees today. Take you to the other side. These raspberries. Just growing up. Alright. Oh yeah, she's got some lettuce in there. I don't know if you can see it. Just got shocked. Whew. That'll wake you up. Nice little mulch here. Got some tomatoes. Alright, it's usually a squash growing out over here. And then I think peach and apple trees. All nicely in the fence so that the deer can't take them. And then asparagus, I didn't know where that was, but it's right here. Sorry about the wind, it's so hot, it's nice to have wind today. Anyway, that's... I used to mow around here. It's a lot nicer than it was a lot of years in this garden. The soil's built up really nice. Hopefully I can grow stuff that good. Probably got like 5-pound butternuts coming out of here. Anyway, so that's that.